When a girl truly loves you, you are the first person with whom she shares every good and bad news. She respects your dreams and motivates you to chase them. She looks after your happiness more than her own. She shares every small detail of her life with you. She becomes your courage, strength, and a companion in every good and bad time. She enjoys being with you. She smiles when you are around. She respects you. She dresses up for you, not for the public. She finds excuses to talk to you. She cares for your family. She talks about you with her best friend. She looks at you most of the times. She always encourages you. She's concerned about you. She actively listens to you and your needs. She happily accepts you for who you are, and most importantly, she often says, "I love you." Now tag your lady in the comments and say, "I love you," because that queen deserves it. Please do not forget to drop a like. Thank you.